as well as. This is one of the most popular phrases that we use. Let's learn how to use it exactly. हाय, मेरा नाम वीना है और मैं इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज ट्रेनर हूँ। मुझे ऑलमोस्ट एक डेकेड हो गया इंग्लिश सिखाते हुए और मेरे सभी स्टूडेंट्स को बहुत अच्छे रिजल्ट्स मिले हैं। फर्स्ट, एज वेल एज इज अ कंजंक्शन, दैट मीन्स इन एडिशन टू। सो ये कनेक्ट करता है वर्ड को और फ्रेजेस को विद इन अ सेंटेंस। लेट्स चेक द एग्जाम्पल्स। The guitarist enjoyed painting as well as music. The sound as well as picture quality are best on this TV screen. Second, जब हम as well as को use करते हैं compare करने के लिए, that means the two things that we are comparing are equal in some way. For example, the weather this summer is pleasant as well as enjoyable. Robin loves to speak French as well as Victor does. Third, as well as is often used as a synonym for and. This means कि जो word है, जो phrase है sentence में, they are equally important. For example, Max, Jane and Peter want to take part in athletics. इस example में all these three people are equal in their desire to take part in athletics. Now, I'll give you some sentences to practice. The radio as well as TV gives us news. Now your turn. Next, French is spoken in Canada as well as France. Your turn. And last, when planning meals, you need to consider nutritional values as well as taste and appearance. Your turn. That's it. I hope this was useful. Try making more sentences and share them with me. Take care. Bye.